girl Lily, back with another video. Real quick, I'm going to show you how I bake my ribs, how I do my baked ribs. Come on over here, let me show you what I'm doing. So I have a slab of ribs here. I have some onions, some red peppers, some yellow peppers, some green peppers, and some orange peppers. I have the usual season, my accent, Lawry's seasoned salt, garlic powder, red pepper, Italian seasonings, onion powder, and chopped chives. So I have this pan right here. So I'm going to go ahead and season my ribs on both sides with all of my seasonings. And what I do is I season one whole side first. Not much to it. So I just added all my seasonings. I'm going to flip it over and I'm going to do the exact same thing with the other side. My accent, my seasoned salt, my garlic powder, my Italian seasonings, my chives, my red pepper, and my onion powder. See how simple that was? Now I'm going to go ahead and put these in the pan, but I'm going to add a tiny teensy bit of oil, not much. Any kind of oil. A lot of people prefer olive oil. It doesn't matter to me because it's only really a handful. I'm going to go ahead and put my ribs in there. Don't mind the other pots on the stove because I am cooking dinner. I'm making dinner. I'm going to drop my peppers on here, my orange peppers. I'm going to drop my green peppers. My yellow peppers. My red peppers. Last but not least, my onions. Now I'm gonna go ahead and sprinkle a little bit of black pepper over that. Black pepper's running a little low. That's okay. A little bit more red peppers. So I like my stuff spicy. A little bit more chives. So I'm all done with that. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take a piece of sorry y'all. I'm gonna take a piece of foil wrap and I'm gonna cover this. I have my oven preheated. I have my oven preheated to 350 and I'm gonna pop these in the oven for 2 hours. And when I come back, I will show you the results. So guys, I am back. And our ribs have cooked 2 hours. You're gonna see what they're looking like. This is what you got right here. Now, I usually put barbecue sauce on them. So this is what we have here. And as you can see, the knife just slices right through them, and they do fall off the bone. Do you see that? That's how you want your ribs to be. That's how you want them. The knife just glides right on through them, like that right there. And you can do your sauce on them, or whatever you like. You can put sauce on them. You can eat them as is. It doesn't really matter, but there you have your baked ribs. So, I want to thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you thumbs up this video, share with your friends, whatever you like. And you guys have a good one. Cut.